Welcome to SFCC Library's tutorial on using the topic finder in the database Opposing Viewpoints. Opposing Viewpoints is a library database that provides a variety of content on pro-con topics. It is a fantastic tool for brainstorming topic ideas. You can browse its list of issues or try their topic finder tool. Remember, to access Opposing Viewpoints or any library database, you must go through the library website. libguides.spokanefalls.edu/az.php is the direct link to SFCC Library's database page. One way to get to the Opposing Viewpoints from this page is to click on O and then click on Opposing Viewpoints. Library databases cost a lot of money and are only available to our students, staff, and faculty, so you may have to log in to prove that you're part of our college. Use your Bigfoot email and password to log in. If you're not sure what your Bigfoot email is, go back to the library database page for how to log in. Once you've logged into Opposing Viewpoints, click on Advanced Search under the search box. On the Advanced Search page, click on Topic Finder. Once there, type in your topic, for example, refugees. Topic Finder will then provide you a visual representation of related or subsections of your topic. You can view them as tiles or as a wheel. Why would you care about this? It's a way to help you narrow or focus your topic as you create your research question or thesis statement. You can continue to drill down on the Topic Finder by clicking on a tile or segment of the wheel. When you do this, you'll notice that the database will provide links with content connected to your topic that you've clicked on. If you already have a specific topic, I recommend using Advanced Search or the Topics list to do your in-depth research. Topic Finder is an interesting way to explore topics in the beginning of your research process. If you're looking for a general introduction to Opposing Viewpoints or how to access the SFCC library databases, please visit the SFCC Library Bigfoot Research Team channel on YouTube for more library video tutorials. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use Opposing Viewpoints Topic Finder tool. If you have any questions or need research assistance, please contact one of the librarians. Happy hunting!